Kip still wants to be good at something. He got some of his acorns.
Watch this bird,
said Kip. He started to yarn the acorns.
Plonk, plink, plink.
One by one they fell down.
Ha ha,
Bird laughed.
you are so silly, Kip. I am silly,
said Kip.
but I am not good at anything.
Kip got his jump rope.
Watch this bird,
he said. Kip started to jump rope, but the rope got stuck on a branch.
help.
said Kip. He swung around and around and around.
Ha ha,
Bird laughed again.
you are so silly, Kip. I am silly,
said Kip.
but I am not good at anything.
Bird was quiet for a moment.
I just thought at something.
She said.
Something you are very good at. What am I good at?
asked Kip.
Making me laugh.
said Bird.